This is a demonstration on how to use this planer properly. Now it's all automated, so there's nothing physically doing with your hands to do this on. It's all electronic. You just need to know the proper sequence to punch in the steps. Now when you plane a board, usually you have to measure the board first to find the thickness of it. Once you've found the proper thickness, you can now look at the plate we have right here that describes where you start this planer. To engage the planer, you first have to rotate the stop button, which turns all the power on. If you don't do that first, the things will not accurately, or they will not do the things that you want to do accurately. So once I turn the stop on, I now set my size of my board right here by pushing the designated number, which is associated with the thickness of the board. In this case, we'll start with 1. I push it, then I push the start button, and it automatically rotates down to the size and thickness that I need to run this board. Now every time you run a board through, you're going to lose a 1/16 of an inch, so that you look at the next one, you push 2, go to start, and down to that one, then so forth to 3, 4, or 5, or whatever thickness of the board you're going down to. We primarily are going down to 13/16, which means you're going to use the number 1, 2, and 3 when you do this. So we'll start at 1, get it set, and then we'll demonstrate how you feed the machine. It's a self-feeding machine, so all you have to do is put the board in and then let the machine do the rest. Push the start button, put the board in, and let it feed. Pick it up on the other side. When you're ready for step 2, push the start, get to the designated thing, and push it through again. Pick it up on the other side again, and then you go to the next step. Every time that you plane, you want to alternate which surface you want, so you're getting both surfaces cleaned